Would you like some inspiration for your upcoming holiday sessions? Well, you can join me and watch my latest creation of creating 4 mini baby holiday transitional sets. I went through a cream set, a gold set, a red set, and a silver set. In each of the sets, I created some additional looks, adjustments, changes, and poses that you too could do in your own newborn sessions. I wanted to just give you an idea of how just a few elements of holiday decor, the right Christmas backdrop, and a really good wrap can transform your work into something that will definitely make the Christmas card this year. In this series, you'll see 47 finished images, and you'll be able to watch behind the scenes of how I created each set. Hopefully, it'll inspire you this holiday season.